So you're thinking about buying a home on Oahu and you're not sure what to expect or what you can get for how much money. In this video, we're going to show you what 1.5 million can buy you on the west side, what we call the Leeward side of the island. Aloha and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Chris Shomo, real estate agent and founder of Home Sweet Home Hawaii Real Estate, brokered by eXp Realty. Today we're going to take a dive in to see what you can expect when you're spending 1.5 million on a home on the west side. And although there are literally dozens of neighborhoods and even micro neighborhoods, we'll be looking at 3 neighborhoods in particular. And stick around to the end where we're going to give you a tour of 3 of these homes' interiors. The first neighborhood we'll be checking out is Ewa Gentry Haleakea, which is a neighborhood built by Gentry Homes, where you can own a home backing to one of the west side's nicest golf courses, the Hawaiian Prince Golf Club. The second neighborhood is Makakilo Stars Edge, which is located on the ridge and elevated heights of Kapolei. And the third neighborhood is Ewa Beach's popular Ocean Pointe. If you're not familiar with the west side of the island, I'll quickly share. Ewa Beach and Kapolei are located about 20 miles west of downtown Honolulu. The Ewa Beach real estate landscape is divided into 3 areas. You have Old Ewa, you have historic Ewa villages, and the newer master planned communities. It kind of has the feel of one large neighborhood, where Kapolei is way more spread out. Kapolei has the nickname Oahu's second city, and it has a very suburban feel to it, but it's also spread out with multiple commercial clusters and tons of new developments. There's also a courthouse and all the big box stores, including Walmart and Costco, so it's got it all. And if you want more detailed information on either Ewa Beach or Kapolei, make sure you check out our videos with the links below. Some of the pros are it's got newer construction, and the neighborhoods are really beautiful, and you get more home for the money compared to closer to town or on the windward or east side of the island. And of course, with real estate in any given city, the further you're away from the downtown district, the more affordable the housing, and there's housing for most income levels. Compared to the island's home sales price average of $1,050,000, give or take a few thousand, the west side is less expensive, and the average sales price for a condo is about $500,000, and they start around the $350,000 range and can go up to $900K. And for a townhome, $700,000 and up. But even condos, some of these condos that are really luxurious can go up as high as a few million for a beach villa, say overlooking the ocean in Ko'olina. Now, single family homes in Ewa Beach and Kapolei can start around the $750K range in some pockets and can easily go into the $2 million range in the gated communities on the ridge of Makakilo or on some of the golf courses in Ewa Beach. Another cool thing about the west side is it's got a lot of family-friendly communities with tons of parks and outdoor activities. And most of the HOAs have community swimming pools and neighborhood associations that offer things like movie nights in the park on special occasions. On the west side, there are also outdoor family adventures like Wet n Wild Water Park, the Salvation Army's Croc Center, and of course the now famous Waikai, which is home to one of the world's largest surfing wave pools, as well as this huge floating obstacle course in the giant lagoon. You're also surrounded by the beach's White Plains, One'ula, or what the locals call Hau Bush, and that's a great spot to learn surfing. And there's Nemitz Beach, which is another surfing beach located at Barbers Point on Oahu's southwest shore. There's also Pu'uloa Beach, which is another one of the uncrowded beaches on the west side, and Iroquois Point, which has nice gazebos set up along the beach where you can sit and chill and even pull out your laptop and work remotely with the ocean as your view. And another thing the west side is known for is it's a golf course mecca if you're a golfing enthusiast. I mean, Ewa Beach alone has 6 golf courses, like the Hawaiian Prince that I mentioned and Huakalai Golf Club, which is an outstanding golf club, and you've got Coral Creek and the less challenging Barbers Point, to name a few. So if you're thinking of living on the west side, also keep in mind some of the cons of living in this area, like the traffic commute to downtown Honolulu, if that's an issue for you and you don't work from home. It can also get super hot on this side of the island, especially in the summer, unless you live closer to the beach and can get cooler breezes off the ocean. But you don't get the trade winds like you do on the windward side of the island. And the trade-off is it's a dry heat on the west side of the island versus how it can get really like humid and muggy on the east side on the windward side of the island. And Ewa Beach can also have air traffic noise depending on where you live, and fireworks literally can go off throughout the year, not just on New Year's and July 4th. So if that could be a nuisance for you, you should think about that when you're looking in which neighborhood on the west side. And another con is dealing with HOAs. Yes, along with those beautiful home developments come HOA fees and just the hassle of dealing with building restrictions, since most of these new homes are part of planned urban developments. We call them PUDs. The HOA fees can be as low as $60 a month for single family homes to as high as $650 a month for some townhomes. That said, usually the higher HOAs are around $350 a month, whether for a single family home or townhome or condo. And that will include a community pool, beautifully maintained landscaping, and those community centers often host like family-friendly fun activities like movie nights and Easter egg hunts and other fun community stuff. Tell me what you think. Would you prefer living in an area with HOAs, or do you prefer not having a homeowners association? By the way, we read every comment, so feel free to ask questions on anything you'd like to know that hasn't been covered in this video. And if you've made it this far and have found this information to be helpful, feel free to hit the like or subscribe button, and also tap the bell for notifications. That way you can be notified when our new videos drop. Okay, you've stuck around. Now let's show you a sample of 3 homes that would set you back $1.5 million if you're buying in Hawaii. Number 1 on the list is Ewa Gentry's Haleakea, which was built by Gentry Homes. The Haleakea community is a prestigious neighborhood in Ewa Beach. It's super friendly with a community swimming pool. It's got a great park for the kiddos and even a separate dog park for your furry family members. This house in particular is listed for $1.52 million, and it's the perfect golf course home. It has a large, almost 3,200 square feet interior floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths on almost 6,000 square foot lot. The main features of this home include separate bedroom and bathroom on the main floor for guests. It has 46 owned PV panels to keep your energy costs low. It has luxurious marble floors, exquisite granite countertops, and top-of-the-line appliances. But maybe one of the biggest perks of this home is it backs to the world-renowned Hawaii Prince Golf Course, which is a masterpiece by the iconic duo of Arnold Palmer and Ed Say. Now, number 2 on the list is Stars Edge in Makakilo in Kapolei. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, almost 2,500 square foot home is listed at $1.5 million and is located in Upper Makakilo on the ridges of Kapolei. Originally built in 2001, what makes this property amazing is it's fully renovated with the finest attention to detail, and with no neighbors behind you, the location offers the homeowners the experience of breathtaking ocean and mountain views. They are truly stunning. This home also has an owned photovoltaic system as opposed to a leased system, and it really provides great luxury and energy efficiency. And number 3 on the list, we're taking you to Ocean Pointe, the popular Ewa Beach neighborhood known for its great neighborhood vibe and family-friendly community events. It's also great for its close proximity to the beach and the gorgeous Kapolei Golf Club. Now this must-see gem here is in the heart of Ocean Pointe and features 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, over 2,800 square feet. It's of course listed at $1.5 million as well. This special property caters to a wide array of functional needs and preferences. The ground floor has a versatile bedroom and office space and a full bathroom, so it can accommodate various living arrangements. Upstairs, you'll find another office space and the owner's suite, a sanctuary complete with a sitting and reflection area and 2 walk-in closets and a huge ensuite bathroom featuring a jacuzzi soaking tub. If you're a culinary enthusiast, you'll appreciate the casual dine-in kitchen and the formal dining room, complemented by a butler's pantry. Some key upgrades in this home include a 3rd carport for added parking convenience in addition to the 2-car garage. And it also has an extended covered lanai, which is perfect for outdoor entertaining. And it has a state-of-the-art photovoltaic system as well. So out of the 3 homes we took a tour of that you see here, which house and which neighborhood do you like the most? Leave us a comment below and let us know. I hope you found this video helpful. As I mentioned earlier, there are literally dozens of neighborhoods and micro neighborhoods throughout the west side alone, and of course hundreds of neighborhoods on the entire island. Finding your perfect slice of paradise can get overwhelming in your home search, yet alone when it's time to pull the trigger and buy. But that's what we're here for. Always feel free to reach out. You can give us a call or shoot us a text or send us an email. Here at Home Sweet Home Hawaii, we love helping people buy and invest in Hawaii, and we're here to make your home search and buying experience as smooth and stress-free as possible. Mahalo for joining us today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more island living content. Aloha, and we'll see you in the next video.